Hello everybody, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing well, and in this video I will be showing you guys how you can write a book in Notion. So let's get right into it. Notion is an application for both PC and I think mobile devices. I do remember it is 100% for mobile devices as well, and you can use it for a lot of things. You can use it to make notes for yourself. You can make a task list, you can make a journal, either a daily journal or whatever kind of journal you would like. If you want to watch some movies or read some books and don't want to forget the titles, you can also make your own reading list. You can sort your own documents of any and all types which you would possibly want, and so on and so forth. It is a very useful application, and as I've said, one of the applications you could use it for is writing a book. Now, I would recommend two functionalities for this purpose. One of them would be a journal, and this is my first recommendation. This is the best way I would think of making a book. What you want to do is just when you enter your journal, just click on new and just, I don't know, click the title of your book and just say book draft or something. Click on it and make it full screen for it to be easier for you. And now you can just create whatever sort of template that you want, write whatever you want, and you can write your book here. You can do a similar thing in Docs. If you just go into a document that you have made and just go full screen here, you can just write whatever you want. You could write a book yourself as well. And in general, that's some of the ways that you can do to write a book. It's all saved automatically, so that you don't have to save it manually. And yeah, it's very helpful. I wish you luck in your writing career. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.